In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a portfolio site on Squarespace. Whether you're a freelance designer, photographer, or creative professional, having a well-crafted portfolio is essential for showcasing your work to prospective clients or employers. Squarespace is a fantastic platform for creating clean, professional websites without needing extensive coding knowledge. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Squarespace and make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up on their website. Once you're logged in and ready to go, you'll find yourself on your homepage. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll see various options available on your screen, and we'll be navigating through some of them shortly. Now, direct your attention to the left bottom corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice your profile picture or icon. Go ahead and click on it. This action will bring up a panel where you can manage different settings and websites associated with your account. From this panel, you'll want to select the specific website you wish to work on. Once chosen, you'll be taken to the main editing interface for that site. With the website open and ready to go, your next step is to focus on the left-hand side menu. Navigate to the section labeled Pages and click on it. This section is crucial as it's where you can manage all the content that appears on your site. You'll see a list of existing pages as well as some organizational menus. Now it's time to add your portfolio. To do this, look for the main navigation section within Pages. Next to it, you'll spot a small plus icon. Clicking this icon will allow you to add a new page to your website's main navigation. From the selection of options, choose Portfolio. Squarespace conveniently offers a variety of layouts specifically designed for portfolio pages. Browse through these layouts and select one that aligns with your style and the way you want your work to be presented. Remember, choosing the right layout is essential, as this will be the first impression visitors will have of your work. Once you've selected a layout, it's time to make it truly yours. Click Edit to start customizing your portfolio. This is where you can add your images, text, and any other media related to your work. Explore all the features available to you. Squarespace offers an array of tools that enable you to adjust colors, typography, spacing, and more. These elements allow you to tailor the portfolio to align perfectly with your personal brand and vision. With these steps completed, you've successfully set up your portfolio on Squarespace. Take your time to explore further customizations and tweak the design as needed. Whether you're just starting out or have an extensive body of work, a well-made portfolio can make all the difference. Happy designing!